I think sometimes it's harder to speak with no tension when it's cold out because we're already tense because we're cold. So I need to be talking more relaxed. Oh, but yeah, from now on, no, I'm gonna not talk after stream. I'm gonna try to go on like a light vocal rest at my job, where I only speak when I need to. I'm gonna try to cut back on the small talk, which is something I do a lot there. So I'll try to just be like only using my words when I need to. I'm gonna try to cut back on like the hours of stream in certain ways. Potentially, I'm not sure. We'll see. But yeah, I'm working on it. I didn't think I did. Oh. Sorry, Mushroom. Wait. Where? What? I am cold. Severance. Yes, Severance tonight. I don't think I did it right. But Mushroom, you can just send me the link now. But normally it's through sound alerts. That way I don't miss people's things. No. Just send me the link. You already paid the money. You already did the money. You don't have to pay again. Are you kidding me? It's not about that. The reason why I want to do it more on sound alerts is so that it just automatically plays it and I don't accidentally like play the wrong thing or... Definitely no worries. The cats are my kryptonite, truly. Not even to your fur babies. I know, I need to not talk to them because I'm always talking to them. I'm going, who's the prettiest baby? Wait, where did you send it? Oh, just post it in chat, Mushroom. Post it in chat. I can't check Discord on this phone. Oh no. Do it. Oh no. Ooh, Mushroom, I'm excited. Oh. Yes. Oh, I'm excited. Okay. Sorry.
It was rough, but lately I've been doing better.
Oh, thank you for sharing.
December, I recall. And I see my family every month. I found a girl my parents love.
Oh, I love this.
So come and stay the night and I think
kind of fitting, yes.
And I thank God every day for the girl he sent my way.
This is so lovely. Oh, things he gives me he can take away. Benson Boone. Exactly. Oh.
As the man who stands to lose you.
This is me singing to my voice. Me singing to my voice.
I want you, I need you, oh God. Don't take these beautiful things that I've got. Please I want you, I need you, oh God. Don't take these beautiful things that I've got. It's been a while, but I'm finding my way. Everything is good and it's great. Why do I sit and
Did you guys like my dance?
Oh, I tell you, I know.
Benson Boone.
But I'm up at night thinking I just might lose it all.
You guys can't see what my feet are doing.